Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a shrimp trap. First, gather your materials. You'll need galvanized wire mesh with 1/4 inch openings, zip ties, and some bait. The mesh should be sturdy enough to withstand water currents. Having all your components ready before starting assembly will make the process much smoother and more efficient. This simple setup is highly effective for catching shrimp. Next, cut a piece of wire mesh, approximately 36 inches by 18 inches, to form the main body. Bend this mesh into a cylindrical or rectangular shape, depending on your preference. Overlap the edges by about 1 inch and secure them tightly with zip ties every 2 inches. This creates the basic structure that will hold your shrimp. Ensure there are no large gaps where shrimp could escape. Now, let's create the entrance funnel. Cut a piece of mesh about 12 inches by 12 inches and shape it into a cone. The narrow end of the cone should have an opening of about 2 inches, allowing shrimp to enter but making it difficult to exit. Secure the wider end of this funnel to one end of your trap's body using more zip ties. This design is crucial for effective trapping. Finally, prepare your trap for deployment. Place a small bait cage, filled with oily fish or specialized shrimp bait, inside the trap. Ensure the bait is securely fastened so it doesn't float away. Attach a sturdy rope to the trap and a visible float for easy retrieval. Your homemade shrimp trap is now ready to be placed in suitable waters. Good luck with your catch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.